Hello, my little muffins. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to prep my nails right now. Actually, just one. Just one. I know you don't want to watch the whole hand. It would be a ridiculously long video. But if you want one of those, let me know. I'll make you one. You know I want you to be happy. So I'm coming in with my sanding band. I got the tiniest little bit of gel still there. So it looks like I'm going crazy on my nail, but I'm not. It's just that little spot right there still has some gel from when I had those press-ons on, not press-ons, soft gel tips. There we go. So I'm just cleaning that off. You can see it's just flaking away. There's almost none left. A couple more flicks and it should just flake off. Then we're gonna make sure that that area underneath is lightly prepped before we move on to doing my full cuticle area. You can't get as deep in there with the sanding band as you can with the little cuticle bit. And I also like to use that bit on my actual skin a little bit for exfoliation. So I always use that. I know there's a lot of techs who don't. They just use the sanding band, and that's cool. You know, that's cool. But for me, I really feel like my nails last a lot longer if I get that really clean and beautiful. And as you can see, I don't have like a red ring or anything. I don't go crazy or do it super hard. But after clipping off any extra skin and cleaning up with a little alcohol on my brush, we are moving on to the next thing, which is going to be to just go ahead and mix up a little bit of gel. Right now we're making a shimmery, milky white sort of color. It could be a little more milky. You don't have to go as sheer as this, but I wanted the look to be very layered and to be able to see everything through that. I decided to go a little lighter with my milky polish or gel, not polish, it's gel. So now I'm mixing up two other colors. Every nail is going to have its own color combination, but this first one, the thumb, is going to be the green and blue together. And I didn't like the blues being so dark, so I added a little bit of the shimmer white to give it a lighter, more medium tone. On the next nail, I'm actually going to mix those two colors together to make a teal, and you'll see the color that came out of that. Because I am going to show you the full thumb and the index finger. Although I don't show you that I'm encapsulating it. Although, of course, they all get encapsulated. You will see me encapsulate the thumb, though. So now I'm putting my form on. We're just going to make sure it's nicely pinched into the shape that I'm looking for. And honestly, I could have gone a little slimmer. But I'm not unhappy. I'm not unhappy with the shape I ended up with. So it's okay. My biggest issue still, after almost 4 years of doing my own nails, is that sometimes I don't pinch my form right from nail to nail. And I think mainly that's because it's hard to put all the forms on myself at one time. It's hard to get them all on, and it's hard to, like, if I need to go to the bathroom, it takes a long time to do these nails. So there's no way I'm going to get it all done without having to go to the bathroom or something. So I really prep each nail as I go, get it all ready, put the form on, and then do the actual nail itself. So it's a process. If you do your own nails, you have your own way of doing it. So now we're coming in with our first layer of that milkiness. First, we put down those real pretty flakies. I didn't do the entire nail. I just wanted a warm glow from within feeling at the end of the nail, and I think putting the flakies down underneath everything really gave us that feeling. And that's just another reason why I kept my milky white very sheer. I just wanted everything to not necessarily be jelly, but to have that a quality of that in the nail. So there you go. Honestly, I think of these as just very colorful opal sort of nails, because opals really glow from within. There's an easier way to do opal nails. You don't have to do all of this layering, and you certainly don't have to put any color in it. Just do the flakies and maybe a tiny bit of the color you want the nail to be. Like if you want a pink opal or a green opal or a black opal or whatever it is, you can just pick your flakies, mix the color, and I would say the tiniest bit of color and a little bit of a milky quality to it, and mix it all together and build your nail with that, and then encapsulate it, because that also makes a very effective opal look. I have some of the milky white left. I'm going to do a short like that, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos. I'm also thinking I'm going to take, I only show you 2 nails in this video. I think I'll do the other 3 nails as shorts and start putting them out either here on TikTok or maybe even Insta. So make sure I'm Glam Tones everywhere. Make sure you follow me wherever you're at. And that way we can stay connected. That'll be so much fun. So now I'm coming in with some white lines, a little bit of veining, if you will. But on this one, actually, I think in the end, when you see me do the top coat, you might agree. I think I feel like it kind of came out looking ocean-like a real shimmery ocean. But each one, like I said, each one has its own flair. And I think the other ones look more like a marble sort of veining than this one does. This one I feel like looked almost wave-like, like wave structure. So then we're coming in with another layer of that white. And I actually think I do 2 layers of the white before I do this encapsulation. You can see those white lines have softened a lot, and that putting the milky over that really does soften them a lot. And then once we get everything filed and top coated, it came out with the look that I was going for. So now let's go ahead and do this index finger. Now this is flakies, but it's a different color. It's got a bit of a, I want to say, a green shift to it. You can't see right now, but because the camera's really just picking up the pink. The other one has, excuse me, just the pink shift to it with a little orange. This one I think has a little bit of a green tint to it. Hopefully that'll show up in some of the reveal shots, which I haven't actually taken those yet. I'm going to do that as soon as I finish this voiceover. So we'll see how they came out at the end of this video. I hope you stick around to the end. I would love my watch times to get better. So I hope you're enjoying today's video. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section, and let me know what you think I should be doing different. What I'm doing right now is just dispersing the lines. I don't think I said that in the thumb video. Using a little bit of acetone on this tiny brush. It's not a ton of acetone. I'm not trying to flood anything, but it does help disperse the white. Okay, guys, this is all 5 nails before filing. Boom. And after filing. Look how pretty the underneath of the nails are. I think that the underneath is just as, if not more pretty than the top. So I really love when your nails are pretty top and bottom. I don't like when the underneath is ugly. That bums me out. So I am just coming in with one more extremely thin coat of that shimmery white, because I just want the shimmer to be oomph, in your face shimmer. And it is, but it's also still really subtle. But you can't help but to see the shimmer, and I like how it accents the flakies underneath. So I feel like this particular last step is super crucial to get the full shimmery, glimmery awesomeness that this nail can give you. So here we are with our top coat. This is Light Elegance Super Shiny. It's a hard gel. So there is a sticky layer. So when you get done with it, you will be wiping off the dispersion and then putting on your nail, your cuticle oils, so that your skin is happy with you. Putting on your nails can sometimes be a rough experience, although this one I felt like I did not hurt myself very much this time. Every once in a while I do, and I've not sculpted a lot in the last few months. This is only my second set I've sculpted since October, so I was trying really hard to just, you know, be gentle with myself. But this is the finished set, guys. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section. Would you enjoy wearing these yourself? Or would you say, nah, not for me, thanks? I'm actually super glad I put these on myself. I'm glad to be wearing these. I think they're super cute. They're a little rainbowy, so if you're celebrating Pride, this might be a good set for you. Guys, I did want to say, super sorry about no video Tuesday, but I am feeling better, and we're going to see you next week for more awesome content. Bye-bye.